Here in this table, we are meant to calculate the total sales. So we all know we are going to make use of the sum function. So we can easily click the auto sum here, then we hit enter. So it has given us the sum of the sales from January to March. If you look at this, the cell reference we have here is from C5 to E5. This type of cell reference now is called relative reference. Let's copy it to the next cell by means of autofill. I copied it here. You can see it has changed in relation to the new position of the cell. You can see now it's now C6 to E6. If you copy this again to the next cell, it also changes with respect to the new position. If you continue in that manner, it changes with respect to the new position. So this type of cell reference that changes with respect to the new location is called relative reference.